Hello viewers, welcome to English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write a notice on found a wristwatch. This particular video is very important from exam point of view. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First, start with the name of your school. Here, for example, I am writing DAV Public School. Make sure to write this name in bold letters. In the next line, write notice in bold letters. In the next line, towards the left hand side corner, mention the date on which this particular notice is going to be published. Next, you have to give the heading of the notice. Here, for example, I am writing found wristwatch. Next, let's start with the body of the notice. Here, for example, I am writing all students and staff members are informed that a wristwatch has been found in the school premises. The watch is silver in color with a black strap. It was found near the playground area. If you have lost a wristwatch matching this description, please visit the school office and provide a detailed description of the watch to claim it. The rightful owner must claim the watch within 1 week from the date of this notice, presenting proper identification. Please note that unclaimed watch will be handed over to the school's lost and found department after the specified period. Next, towards the left hand side corner, write your name. In the next line, write your position or designation and organization.